Hi, my name is John Tobin. I just received a wonderful treatment from Patty. Sorry. I was skeptical coming in, very skeptical. My wife does a lot of foo-foo stuff on occasion, and thought maybe this was one of those things. But when I walked in here, I was feeling some back tightness, back pain, low back pain, and hip pain, and my neck was bothering me, and both my shoulders hurt. And I have, in the last 2 hours, completely relaxed. I'm in no pain. I'm very, very impressed with this treatment. This is something I'm going to do again, no doubt. So I want to thank Patty and my wife for bringing me in here. This has been a real eye opener for me. I'm a construction worker, union guy, not your typical guy who would be coming into a place for something like this. But I do have some aches and pains. I'm getting older, and it really helped. Legit. I'm serious.
And your feet too, right?
Everything. I'm telling you. I'm just. It is legit. I am very impressed. Nothing more to say. So.
Thank you so much.
Sure.